Hello students, welcome to Deepali's educational world. In my world, always I am giving easier ways and basic concepts. Today, we are going to study quadrilateral. You must be thinking quadrilateral, it's very simple. It's not simple. Actually, if you study thoroughly and you need to, because what is my experience about this quadrilaterals? Students who come to the standard 10th, they cannot sort out which is square, which is rectangle, which is parallelogram, which is rhombus. Then these are the types of quadrilaterals they don't know. What are the opposite sides of it? Means what are the parts of quadrilateral also they don't read, cannot read. So what I want to give you today is, today I am going to give you parts of quadrilateral and how do we understand quadrilateral basically and easier way. Listen at both. Quadrilateral means the diagram which has the figure which has four sides is a quadrilateral. Basically we understand like this. But this has four sides, here also four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not a quadrilateral because what is the quadrilateral then? If you consider one side, if suppose this is AB, then all three sides should be on one side. It is a quadrilateral. If suppose you will take another one more example for this, suppose this is ABCD. This is PQRS. If you consider PS, all three sides are on one side. If you consider QR, remaining all three sides are on one side. This is quadrilateral. Are you understanding? This is the basic meaning of the quadrilateral. Then what are the parts of the quadrilateral? Now we are going to study parts of quadrilateral. What are the parts of? Let us start with vertices. There are four vertices of quadrilateral, and how do we read them? Vertex P, vertex Q, vertex R, vertex S. Here, vertex A, B, vertex C, vertex D. Means vertices. Try to understand. You don't take it easy that what teacher is telling you this vertices, but you need to understand them. Now here, after vertices is the first. Second is sides. There are two types of sides. One, opposite sides. What are the opposite sides? Opposite sides are PS and QR, PQ and SR. Means when we write side, we should use two alphabets because side is covered by two alphabets. So side PQ and side SR, as well as one more pair, side PS and side QR. Means these are PS and QR opposite, PQ and SR opposite. They are opposite to each other. These are the sides. Opposite side. In sides, there are opposite sides. And second part, in sides, they are adjacent sides. What are the adjacent sides of the quadrilateral? Adjacent sides means sides which are nearby. Side PQ adjacent to QR. Side QR adjacent to SR. Side SR adjacent to PS. Side PS adjacent to PQ. Means PQ and QR adjacent. PQ and PS adjacent. Means for one side there are two adjacent sides. Means side PQ if you consider, side PS and side QR, side PQ and side QR, these two are adjacent. Side PQ and PS are also adjacent. Are you understanding? If you consider SR, then side SR and PS are adjacent. side SR and QR are also adjacent. Are you getting what are the adjacent sides? You understood this adjacent sides? Means here side PQ carries two adjacent sides. PQ adjacent is PS, to PQ adjacent is QR. This is written over here. You understood this? These are, first part is vertices, second part is sides. In sides we have studied two types, opposite sides, adjacent sides. Now third part of the quadrilateral we are going to study is angles. Third part, angles. Right now I told you. First part vertices, four vertices. Second part sides, opposite sides, adjacent sides. Now third part is angles. What are the angles? Four angles. Which are the four angles? Angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. This P we can read SPQ. Q we can read PQR or RQP. Like this we can read them. Okay. In this angle again there are opposite angles. What are they? Opposite angles. What are the opposite angles? Angle P and angle R. Angle P and angle R are opposite. Angle Q and angle S are opposite. Q and S opposite, P and R opposite. These are opposite angles. Then what are the adjacent angles? Adjacent angles. What are the adjacent angles here? Opposite angles we have studied. Opposite angles are easy to understand. P, R are opposite, Q and S opposite. But it is very compulsory to make sign of angle. Remember this. Now here, if angle P I will consider, angle P and angle S, they are nearby. So angle P and angle S, angle P again and angle Q. Means for every angle, two adjacent angles are there. Here written angle P and angle S, angle P and angle Q. Now we will consider angle Q. Angle Q. Then which angle is adjacent for this? Angle P is adjacent. This is simpler knowledge, but it is very important. In theorems, in proofs, you people can't understand how to write. Remember this. So I am giving you this basic knowledge. Basic knowledge is very important. Angle Q, if you will consider angle P and angle R. Angle Q, angle P, angle Q and angle R. Like this way, after Q, angle R comes. Then angle S, angle R and angle S. Angle R and angle Q. Now which is remaining last one? Angle S. For angle S, which is the adjacent angle? Angle S and angle P adjacent. Angle S and angle R adjacent. Like this way, we have covered three parts of the quadrilateral. Fourth part is diagonals. Three parts what? Vertices, sides, angles. Now diagonals. What is diagonal? The segment which joins opposite vertices. That is called as diagonal of the quadrilateral, and every quadrilateral has two diagonals. How many diagonals are there? Two diagonals. What is diagonal? Diagonal is the segment which joins opposite vertices. Means here two diagonals. Diagonal diagonal PR and diagonal QS. Two diagonals are there which joins opposite vertices. And my last point of the lecture is how to write name of the quadrilateral. Write the name of the quadrilateral. See, very important. How to write name of the quadrilateral? See, we can write 8 ways name of the quadrilateral. How? Starting from P clockwise, starting from P anti-clockwise. that is PQRS. Then quadrilateral, first PQRS anticlockwise, then PSRQ. This question also comes in exam. Second one, we will take vertex Q. QPSR, QPSR. I hope everybody is understanding. Then QRSP. QRSP means starting from every vertex we can label twice this. You can write the name of the quadrilateral two times, using P twice, using Q twice, using R twice. RQPS, RSPQ. Now using S, SPQR, SRQP. These are the ways to write quadrilateral. 4 vertices. Write the name of the quadrilateral by 8 ways. Is that clear for you? My dear students, don't take it easily that this is simple, this is simple. No. Afterwards, when you go for the higher standards, there arises problems. So try to understand basic knowledge very properly. Subscribe my channel, like and share, and don't forget to click bell icon. It will help you definitely to improve your basic knowledge in mathematics. Thank you.